Now, there is a story, there are many stories. One of them I am citing is very interesting. Vishwamitra Muni. Vishwamitra Muni, he was a great king, Kshatriya. But his priest, Vasishtha Muni, he had great spiritual power. So he renounced his kingdom. He wanted to advance. He was kingly, royal order, but still he wanted to advance in the spiritual order. So he adopted yoga process, meditation. That time it was possible for adopting this process, yoga process. So he was meditating in such a way that the Indra, who was the king of heaven, he thought that this man is trying to occupy my post. As there is competition, this is also, heaven means that is also material world. So this competition, no businessman wants that another businessman go ahead. He wants to cut down. Competition of price, quality. Similarly, that Indra, he thought that this man is so strongly meditating. It may be that I may be deposed and he come to my seat. Then he arranged one of his society girls, Menaka, to go there and allure this Muni. So when Menaka approached that Rishi, Vishwamitra Rishi, she was meditating, and simply by the sound of her bangles, she could understand there is some omen. And as soon as he saw that is heavenly celestial beauty, he was captivated. Then there was a result that a Shakuntala, perhaps some of you may know, there is a book made by Kalidas, Shakuntala. This Shakuntala is supposed to be the most beautiful girl in the world, and she was born by this combination of Vishwamitra Muni and Menaka. So when this girl was born, then Vishwamitra thought, oh, I was advancing in my spiritual culture, and again I have been entrapped. So he was going out. At the same time, his wife, Menaka, brought this girl before her. And little child is always attractive. She thought that, oh, you have got such a nice girl, such beautiful girl, and you are going away. No, you should take care. So there is a picture, very nice, that is a very famous picture, that Menaka is showing Vishwamitra Muni, the girl, and the Muni is like no more so. Yes, there is a picture. That is, then he went up. So there are chances of failure. Just like a great sage, like Vishwamitra Muni, he also failed. Failed for the time being. But Krishna says that this failure is not unsuccessful. As we have sometimes the proverb that failure is the pillar of success, especially in the spiritual life, this failure is not discouraging. This failure is not discouraging. So Krishna says that even one fails in completing his spiritual course, still there is no loss on his part.